Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open Imovie and immediately create a new project set to movie and the proper aspect ratio. This gets your timeline ready. Next, import media by dragging files from Finder or using File Import Media so everything sits in the library. Once clips are in, skim and mark favorites, delete bad takes, and drag chosen clips onto the timeline. This is where you start shaping your story, so arrange rough order before finer edits. With clips on the timeline, trim precisely by dragging handles or using Split, Command+B, to cut mid-clip. Remove gaps to tighten pacing. Add B-roll by dragging clips above primary footage for cutaways or picture-in-picture to illustrate points. Then enhance each clip. Use color balance and color correction to match scenes, apply stabilization if shaky, and open the audio inspector to reduce background noise and normalize levels. This keeps visuals consistent and audio clear, to finish, add titles and transitions. Choose a title style, drag it to the timeline, then type and adjust duration for timing. When ready to export, go to File, Share File, and pick Resolution, Quality, and Compression settings to match delivery needs. Monitor estimated file size. If something goes wrong, like audio drift or missing clips, detach audio to realign or re-import the problematic media. One key tip: save incremental copies so you can revert if a change breaks the project.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.